Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Facebook pixel in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to make sure that you are on your admin panel or admin dashboard. And from there, you will need to access to the WooCommerce settings. And then click on your WooCommerce. And after that, you will need to go to extension. So from here, we will need just to search for pixel. And then we will need to add some extension that will allow us to connect our pixel or Facebook pixel within WooCommerce. So as you can see, there is this WooCommerce integration in this Pixel Manager Pro. So as you can see, this one would allow you to connect your pixels or your Facebook API and start as you can see, there is also the Google Ad Pixel, Meta Ads Pixel, and all other things. There is also this WooCommerce for Facebook that will allow you to connect both of your Meta items or Meta elements to your WooCommerce. So I'm just going to add to store, and you can also start using the Pixel Manager that will have more control on it, but it is kind of pain. So now you can just add your items, but I'm just going to do it from my plugins so I can add it easily. So here I'm just going to plugins, add new plugin, and from there you will need just to search for Facebook for WooCommerce, and basically I will find it here and I will just install the Facebook for WooCommerce and install it. So as you can see, I can install my plugin and I will activate it by the end. And now that we have our Facebook that is connected, we will need first to configure it. And as you can see, we need just to click on configure and you will be able to get started by connecting your Facebook to your WooCommerce. So as you can see, you can connect them and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.